What's up, YouTube? I want to show you my 2016 CF Moto Z-Force 800EX. I did quite a bit of stuff to it since I've owned it, and hands down, this machine is badass. I have put this poor thing through hell and back many of times, and this is also a review. Should you buy a CF Moto? Yes, definitely. For the price, you can't beat them. CF Moto also builds 40% of KTM dirt bike, motorcycles, whatever you want to call them. They are badass for the money. You can't beat it. This one here, I put a EJK Dubec chip in it. Probably gained about 5 horsepower with this system, no joke. Here's my odometer. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys my 2016. I did a custom flowmaster exhaust system build on it a while back, probably over a year ago. And it sounds badass. I'll let you all hear it.